Good morning to the Excellencies, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am very excited to say something about our country on this revered occasion for India known as the Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January since 1950. Today, we all are here to celebrate 70th Republic Day of our nation. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force, so we celebrate this day as Republic Day of India. However, Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly. On 26 January, India was declared as Purna Swaraj by the Indian National Congress in 1930. That's why 26 January was chosen to bring Indian Constitution into force. On Republic Day, magnanimous arrangements are done by the Government of India in New Delhi at Rajpath in front of the India Gate. Every year, the Prime Minister of India is the chief guest for hosting the Indian flag at Rajpath. The army, military and all the forces take part in the parade to show the culture and tradition of India. We also invite the chief guest from other country. This shows our tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava. President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces, and the Prime Minister of India give a floral tribute to the sacrificed Indian soldiers at the Amar Jawan Jyoti India Gate. Our great Indian freedom fighters and Indian leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc. fought for our country against the British rule to make India a free country. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only the public has the right to elect the representative as a political leader to lead the country in the right direction. So, India is a republic country where we, the people, elect our leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. The fundamental rights and duties of the people of the republic in India have been laid down in our constitution. Every citizen of India is equal in the eye of the law, and no one has to suffer because of religion, creed, caste, color, or race. Wishing you all once again a very happy Republic Day and hoping that we will achieve the goals of development and prosperity soon together. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.